What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Courtney, and welcome back to TFD. You already know I had to bring y'all that fresh USA basketball footage because things are heating up. We've got a big matchup coming tomorrow, and it kicks off a crazy stretch. 5 games in 7 days. Yeah, that schedule is wild, but it's about to be some beautiful basketball to watch. The energy is building, the team is locked in, and fans are ready for the show. But that's not the only thing everyone's watching right now. We're still waiting on the big question. Will the WNBA season actually happen? I'm not gonna lie, it's got everybody nervous. All right, we're gonna kick things off with a few quick clips. I'm not gonna lie, they've been real stingy with the footage lately. Barely giving us anything to work with. Feels like they're holding back all the good angles. But don't worry, y'all know Izzy always finds a way to bring the clips through. So we're gonna take a look at what we've got and break it down real quick. All right, so let's take a quick look at our guards being locked in right here. Look at this, man. Knockdown. Knockdown. Kelsey Plum, you got one for me? Knockdown. Look at this, man. The net is about to fall off the rim, man. Call it netinism, man. Just like tendonitis, netinism. I mean, it's about to fall right off the rim if they keep shooting like that. Beautiful work, Natalie Nakase. All right, now let's get to the next clip. Man, Caitlin Clark doing some work in this clip. Check this out, man. Little side step, shooting it, knockdown. Y'all can't really see it that well. Let me change my angle a little bit. Look at that. Knockdown. One more time. Kaylin, give it to him one more time. One more time. Side step. Come on, man. Smooth. Smooth as a baby's behind. Knockdown, baby. I like it. Let's go, Kaylin. Hey, we locked in. Y'all see how clean USA basketball is looking right now? Come on, man. I know these are just some light drills, nothing too crazy. Some of y'all might say, man, you hyping this up a little too much. But honestly, it's just good to see everybody out there knocking down shots and moving together. The rhythm looks nice, the energy looks good, and the chemistry already feels like it's building. That's the kind of stuff you want to see early. Even the uniforms look sharp. Everything just looks polished right now, man. When the vibes look this good in practice, you already know fans start getting excited.
All right, man, let's take a look at this next clip, okay? Some hard defense by Jackie Young. Nice. Oh, hey, man. Angel Reese took a big charge on that one, dog. I mean, a huge charge. She must have had the black card, because that's a big charge right there. Kiki Arioffen coming in strong on the play. Ooh, one more time. Hold on. Kiki with that move. Oh my goodness. That was a serious charge, though, man. That charge was bigger than when I take my family out to eat. I mean, my goodness, what a charge. Way to take it, Angel. Even Angel was laughing at that one. Like I said, she got that black card. Look at her. She got that black card on her, dog. Oh my goodness. Took all that contact. All right, let's take a look at this next one. Like I said, these are some quick clips. All right, Kelsey Plum bringing it down. Okay. Oh, Caitlin Clark with the defense. Double team. Okay. Oh, good ball movement. Angel could have gone up with that. Oh, attacking the closeout, De'Erica Hamby. Come on, man. Hamby with the smooth move. Hey, I'm really watching Caitlin's durability right here. Pay attention to how she moves on this play. She goes up, trying to make something happen, gets a little bumped up there. But look, she's right back moving on the closeout. That's the kind of effort you want to see. Even after the contact, she's still active, still trying to recover on defense. She got beat on the blow-by, sure, but the important part is she's moving, stopping hard, and staying engaged in the play. That's a really good sign. From the way she's running around and competing, she actually looks pretty solid out there right now. All right, we got this one too. Angel Reese bringing it down. Chelsea Gray with a little fake. I think that was a head fake. A little DHO right there. Come on, man. Hey, man, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm way too ready for tomorrow. The excitement is real right now. It kind of reminds me of those nights before the first day of school when you were a kid. You had your fresh outfit laid out on the bed, already thinking about the next day, and you couldn't even sleep. That's exactly how I'm feeling right now. I already know I'm gonna be up thinking about this game. I cannot wait to see USA basketball hit the floor tomorrow. It's about to be a show. USA! USA! All right, I'll calm down, but shout out to all the supporters watching everywhere.
Let's go, man. Hey, we got another clip right here, though. Let's check this one out. Hand off to Chelsea Gray. A nasty pass. Hey, coach had to walk off. That pass was so nasty. Hold on, man. Look at coach. Look at coach. Look. Hey, man, I'm telling you right now, USA basketball is about to be a problem. The way they're looking, teams better get ready because it might get ugly out there. I'm talking about some dominant basketball. The energy, the talent, the depth, it's about to be crazy. And with the games down in Puerto Rico, you already know the crowd is going to be loud. I can't wait to see them hit the floor and really turn it up. If those clips didn't get you hyped, I don't know what will. Something special is about to happen, and I'm ready to see it.
Man, I'm gonna be real with y'all. We absolutely need a WNBA season to happen. The momentum around the league right now is just too strong to lose. There are so many young stars coming up, and their stories are just getting started. That's the exciting part of sports, watching careers develop over time, seeing where these players go, how they grow, and what kind of legacy they build. If the league were to stop for a whole year, that would be a huge hit to all that momentum. I mean, I'm still going to be here regardless because I truly love where the women's game is heading. The talent level is rising, the style of play looks faster and more dynamic, and these new players coming into the league just look different. They're skilled, confident, and bringing new energy to the sport. But man, it would still be gut-wrenching if the season didn't happen. Watching all these great storylines start to build and then suddenly hit pause for a year, that's just tough. Honestly, that's just bad business. Now, we did get a little bit of news, though. Annie Costabile dropped an update about a meeting that just started, and it could be a really important one for the CBA negotiations. She said she was on site at the Langham Chicago, where the WNBA and the Women's National Basketball Players Association had begun what's being described as a potentially pivotal meeting. She mentioned seeing Breonna Stewart, Alicia Clark, Nneka Ugwumwake, and Breonna Turner walking in, along with Clara Wu Tai, who is the owner of the New York Liberty. Now, look, she only mentioned seeing one owner, but that doesn't necessarily mean other owners aren't involved. That's just who she happened to see. Hopefully, there are more people in that room ready to get something done. And honestly, they don't need a huge crowd in there like we saw during WNBA All-Star Weekend. You don't need 50 players in the room. You just need the right people, the ones who understand the situation and know that real compromise has to happen on both sides. Those are the voices that matter the most at the table. Now, also, I don't know if y'all saw this, but Caitlin Clark Capital One commercial, man? Let's take a look at this.
Smart. Or 3% cash back on dining and entertainment with the Capital One Saver card.
Someone say 3?
Caitlin, she lives for the threes.
From way down the counter.
Wow. Oh, no cheese?
3 scoops? She scores.
Is that pistachio? Uh-oh, she's here. Oh!
Splash.
Oh. Y'all see it? Oh! That's it!
Off the glass.
My face is not a backboard!
Hey man, can y'all imagine being in a commercial with straight legends? I'm talking 2 hoop legends and then an acting legend on top of that. That's crazy work. Caitlin Clark really moving different right now. Shout out to her, because opportunities like that don't just happen for everybody. That shows how big her moment is in the game right now. Now, she actually had another commercial too, but I couldn't find that one. I think it had those same guys in it as well. Either way, that whole thing was dope to see. Big respect to everybody involved. Now, let's wrap this up by hearing from the young players about what it means to represent USA basketball. Let's jump into it.
The first feeling going to be like suiting up for the senior national team?
Oh, it's going to be amazing. Like, as a kid, this is what you grow up watching. So, obviously, I've watched a lot of really great players, and now I think it's kind of like going to be a pinch me moment. Like, this is kind of what you dream of, and obviously, as being someone that's played for 3 junior national teams, you know, not many kids that had that opportunity get this opportunity. So, just super grateful.
Surreal. Even just holding the flag on my shoulders today I couldn't even describe the feeling. So I'm just super excited to represent our country and to play with some amazing women.
I feel blessed. I'm gonna be feeling real blessed in those first moments.
It's such an honor to wear my uniform, my shirts. I'm so happy. Just being able to take the women's basketball everywhere I go worldwide. I'm so excited. It's an honor to play for USA basketball because so many greats have played here and have worn the same jersey. So just continue the footsteps and continue the legacy of what women's basketball means.
Just a sense of gratitude and like appreciation for everything it took to get here. And since I was young, like it was just the highest honor to wear USA across my chest. So very excited, very anxious, and very, very thankful.
Oh my God, unreal, surreal. I'm just so excited. I don't even know. I'm like ready to see what the feeling is gonna be.
All right, there y'all have it, man. Everybody looks fired up for tomorrow. And I'm telling you right now, it's about to be crazy. The energy is there, the players look ready, and the fans are definitely ready. I cannot wait to see how it all plays out. But I want to hear from y'all too. How are you feeling about the footage? Are you hyped? Are you ready for the game tomorrow? And what do you think about the big question right now? Do y'all think we're actually going to get a WNBA season? Let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and show some love.